Hello everyone, my name is Marcela Erazo. This activity is about the course Colombian Education. I'm going to talk about how the course of Colombian Education helped to know many things in my process, including the National Bilingual Needs Plan and what means in the educational training and for Colombian cities in the process. Also to know the different benefits that you have when you learn a second language. Yes. Now I'm going to explain my need map. What does it mean to bilingual? We did framework of the National Plan bilingualism. Being bilingual means having more knowledge and opportunities to be more competent and competitive and to improve quality of life of whole citizens. Get to know other cultures, better opportunities to work, to study when you need travel another country. Yes. The PMB aims to raise the standard of teaching a foreign language throughout the educational system. This is a national strategy for develop competence in the citizen able to communicate in English in another language. In Colombian national education, there are many difficulties for children to learn and go to school, which are difficulties, corruption, inequality, poverty. The corruption in education system usually derives from the present and organizational cultures in which institutional objectives are systematically displayed to prompt some individual benefits, in general, usually economics benefits. Also, we have difficulties in poverty and inequality. Poverty is one of the great difficulties faced by the educational system in Colombia. The lack of economic resource makes many families choose not send their children to school. Thank you so much for watching this video.